And here we are. We're at the second to last stop in the Turkey Run 5 Mile Challenge. Today we are at Falls Canyon. This is on Trail 9. Currently, Trail 9 is closed. It has been for, I think, 10 months or so. Trail 9, along with Trail 3 at Turkey Run, are one of 5 trails in the Indiana State Park system that are rated very rugged. I didn't know this was a thing until earlier this year when we did our Clifty Falls Trail 2, which was pretty good. So, Trail 9 is pretty rugged. Um, did I say we're looking at Falls Canyon? I always get the names mixed up. Sometimes I call it Falls Creek, sometimes I call it Fox Canyon. I don't know why. It is Falls Canyon. So, here we're going down to it, but today we're going to talk about a few other things. And specifically, since this channel is called Picking Up Trash in Parks, why don't we talk a little bit about recycling and what can be recycled? And if you've watched any of this before, you know that the majority of the things I get are aluminum cans, single use plastic bottles, every once in a while, some glass bottles, some papery stuff, and then just general trash. Let's start with aluminum cans. Can aluminum cans be recycled? Absolutely. And if you take them to a recycling company, you can get paid for your aluminum cans. Um, Aluminum is highly recyclable, and the cost of recycling aluminum cans saves 95% of the money compared to what it takes to make new aluminum. So it is really worth it to recycle aluminum cans. Um, Depending on your recycling company, some people will tell you you need to wash them first. We always try and rinse our stuff that we use in the house. The stuff that comes out of the park, I'm just kind of crushing it as I put it into my bag, so that stuff's not getting washed. Hopefully, it still gets recycled just fine. Um, Plastic bottles, single use plastic bottles. I think I've said that they are just a cancer on the face of the earth. But it turns out you can recycle single use plastic bottles. Can you recycle all of them? No. So they have to be made of PET, which is polyethylene terephthalate. Ooh, that was a hard one. That was the first time I tried to say it out loud. That is the recycling code number one. If your bottle has a recycling code number one, it is recyclable. Now, some recycling companies want you to remove the labels and the caps. Others are set up where you can just leave it all on there, and as part of their program, they will rip that stuff off. They probably shred this stuff. This is very recyclable. How many of these things get put into the recycling bin? And if you put them in the recycling bin, are they getting dealt with? I don't know. That's a whole nother ball of fish that I'm not talking about today. But, whatever. Plastic water bottles. Now I'm going to have to start an extra bag for plastic water bottles because I absolutely swore that they were just trash. So I'll keep a separate garbage bag for those and find some place to recycle them the end of the year. What about glass bottles? Glass is probably the most recyclable thing that we have. It is 100% recyclable with zero degradation. So you melt down glass, it's still glass. So it's absolutely worth it. The bad parts about glass is heavy. So it gets hard to do to haul places. How about paper? So paper, yes, it can be recyclable, but there's you get lower quality paper with every effort. And before you turn it in for recycling, you kind of need to make sure that it's not dirty, it's not greasy, it's not covered with some plastic material. It has to just be paper. So, there's there's some rules about recycling. And does it take some work? Yeah, it does take some work. And is it worth it? Depends who you talk to. I know I feel better if I recycle this stuff versus if I just throw it in the trash. Um, Last thing I'm going to talk about here is the plastic shopping bags. You've probably seen them on my video. I use plastic shopping bags to haul my trash. Um, you don't want to leave your aluminum cans or your plastic bottles in these plastic shopping bags when you take them to the recycler. Those bags just gum up the machines. They get caught in the wheels and all that. A lot of places, if they see plastic shopping bags in the recycling, they will just toss them. Everything just goes into the landfill after that. So do your part with the recycling. If we look at the picture I got here, this is from last week, I think last weekend, and I got a little bit of everything in here. I got some cans, I got some plastic bottles, I got some glass bottles. So this is what we're talking about today. I hope you come along next time. We're going to be going to Boulder Canyon, and that's the last part of our Turkey Run 5 Mile Challenge series. Trying to decide what I'm going to do next, but thanks for coming along, and I'll catch you the next time.